Hi friends, this is Vani from Viva Sew and Style. This is number 2 of my sewing vlogs that I'm posting on my channel Viva Sew and Style. In today's video, I will share with you a pattern review of my recent make of a new look pattern that I will show you and discuss very shortly. Also, I will share with you what I'm working on this week, that is another new look pattern and few other sewing related things. So let's begin. So a couple weeks ago I did a video on new look patterns that are my favorites that I have collected over the last 2 years. This is new look pattern 6511. I believe it's a 20. Okay, I cannot find what is the year, but this pattern is still very much available if you go to any Joann stores. So I made view C, which is this dress, and I will show you what it looks like. I will also model it for you. So this is only 4 pattern pieces: front, back, skirt and sleeve, and you finish the neckline and the armholes with a store-bought bias binding. It took me about 2 hours from start to finish to make it. So let me show you what the dress looks like. So here is my dress. It does tend to gape a little because I think I used bias binding. I think if you use facings, then there isn't any problem of gaping, but when I put it on, it's not bad. It doesn't look bad. And I believe there are some darts here. So in the sides. Overall, a very easy dress. Like I said, I made it from start to finish in 2 hours. And what I did for the skirt portion, I used the entire width of the fabric. So my fabric was, I believe, 42 or 44 inches wide, and I used the entire width. And also for the length, I think mine is about 3 to 4 inches, or at least 3 inches longer than the longest skirt pattern that's that comes with this pattern. But next time I make it, I will either make it shorter so I can wear it as a tunic top, or I will make it longer. So let me put it on and show you how it looks, and then we can talk about it a little more. Before we do that, let me show you the fabric. So the fabric that my dress is made from is a part of this 3-piece coordinated set. And when I went to India, I bought these fabrics. So these come in a set of 3 pieces. So this is a shirt piece. So you can make a shirt, top, or a long tunic or a kurta with this. And then with the bottom fabric, I made my dress. And see, they all provided this pre-made placket. So I'm not sure what is the design that I'm going to use it on. I want to use something or make something that I can wear with jeans. So most likely it will be some kind of a tunic top. And then they also come with these scarves, or we call that dupatta in India. It's like a voile type of fabric. Um, so this is like in a thinner, much thinner cotton, and usually these scarves are a lot longer than the scarves that you find in the American stores. They're a lot longer and also a lot wider. So usually they're the full width or at least 36 inches, and the length is usually about 2.25 meters, so which is about 100 inches. So that's almost what, 2 and 1/3 of a yard. And this whole set of 3 pieces cost me about 450 Indian rupees, which is $5. So it's very reasonable. Of course, it's not possible to go to India so often, but if you get a chance to go to India, do plan on buying a lot of fabric because it's like an ocean of fabric over there. Okay, so let me put on my dress and model it for you. Oh, and before I do that, this dress that I am wearing, if you notice, is my make McCall's 8214. I featured this in one of my videos I did on tiered dresses. I will provide a link. If you are interested, you can check it out. Alright, let me put on the dress and show you. So friends, as you can see, this dress is very cute, very girly, something I can wear and twirl around in my house in the summertime. I don't think it's appropriate for office, it's too short. So I would have to wear either skinny jeans or leggings with it. I have seen other girls wear even shorter dresses than this, but I will not be comfortable. So I have to do what's right for me. So that's why I said that next time I make this pattern, I will either make it shorter so I can wear it like a tunic top, or I will make it longer, at least 4 inches longer, so it hits right at my knee, and then I'm much more comfortable to wear it. Also, this dress reminds me of the cute frocks that my mom used to stitch for me or get them stitched for me when I was in school, in elementary or middle school. So I think this is a very, very cute girly pattern. Many ladies must be familiar with this style. So yeah, it's a good one. I would recommend this, especially if you are a beginner. This can really boost up your confidence, and you will have something good to wear, especially for the summertime. Also, I mean, of course, you can make it sleeveless. So next time I'll probably make it sleeveless and make it much shorter so I can wear it like a top. Okay, so now let me switch over the topic and share with you what I'm working on this week. So this week I'm working on new look 6622, and I think I will make view A with the sleeves. This one. The reason being, I mean, nothing wrong with the sleeveless tops, but for some reason I have noticed that recently I get sunburnt very badly, and so it's better if I keep myself covered even in the summer with the light cotton fabric rather than exposing my arms to the direct sunlight. So that's why I am trying to sew up more sleeved versions, even though I love sleeveless. But and then I will get restricted, or I will have to put on a cardigan or a jacket or something over it. So that's also an option. Maybe I will do it another time. This time I have decided to go with the sleeved one. And let me show you the fabric I have for it. Many of you might have seen this fabric from Hobby Lobby. When I bought those 14 patterns I recently shared in the 99-cent haul, this fabric was also on sale. It was $2 a yard in clearance. So I bought 5 yards. So for this top I will end up using 2¼ and I will still have a good amount left. But this fabric is only 45 inches wide. But let me share an experience, kind of an odd one, because usually Hobby Lobby staff has been very kind and nice to me, but not so much this time. I went to the counter to get fabric and I noticed that a very large portion was completely snagged, like you can even see here. So this is only like minor, but that entire like 2 yards had like long kind of snags running up and down the fabric. And the girl at the cutting counter was rather mean about it. She was like, well, it's on clearance. I mean, I can't keep cutting it for you. I'm like, there was another customer standing with me and she was giving a shocked look. And I'm like, but okay, I understand it's on clearance, but you have to sell something that's usable. I mean, if I buy it like that, I will have to throw it in garbage. So anyway, so she, I don't know what came onto her, and then she cut 1 yard. She's like, I'm not going to cut any more in case there is any more inside that is damaged. So I said, okay, fine, just give me 5 yards. So I thought I'll buy more in case I find more damaged fabric inside, and then I will at least have some that I can use. So anyway, that was the story. Usually Hobby Lobby staff was very nice, much more than Joanne Fabrics. But unfortunately they're too far away from me. So I end up going there. So anyway, I hope you enjoyed today's vlog. Come back and see me again. Please subscribe to my channel and hit the like button. And please leave some comments. I love to read those. Okay, have a great evening. Bye bye.